So this is the engine that we're currently rebuilding.
2.8 liter GM. It's a V6.
It's actually a pretty good little engine. These ones I've cleaned. Pretty much smooth bores. Come over on this side, the walls are kind of dirty.
Here and here.
So the piston has a skirt on it.
Where the skirt goes down, it gets, not clean, but it doesn't build up like that. Where the skirt is lifted on the piston is where you get those little brown things in the bores. So we're gonna remove those right now. And you show you how we do that.
Well, how I do it, I don't know if this is the correct way.
But it's certainly our way.
So first thing you do, brake cleaner,
Get your very, very fine
steel wool. You just clean out the bore.
Just kind of clean out the board so that it's nice and clean. This skirt mark over here done first. Just put a brake cleaner on there.
Fine steel wool.
Just have to kind of rub it out. It gets a little bit better.
Do it again. I hear that if you get TikTok, you get the China virus.
Okay, so that one skirt mark's done over here now. No big deal there.
I don't really want to start a YouTube video page.
Nice and clean. Nice and shiny. Nice and shiny.
I hope you have a great Thanksgiving. Bye-bye.